Alright, we're out of the garage, and again, it's October 23rd, Wednesday. She's warming up a little bit, but not quite warm. So I like to let her warm up for a couple of minutes. There's the mileage, 26,757. And we're gonna get going. So I'm gonna do my best one-handed video driving. Be one of the nicer days left in fall 2019, and she's driving really great and has been for the 3 years plus that I've had her. But car really mechanically is driving well. It's just really going to need that love and restoration that I sadly can't give her. But anyway, enjoy the drive, and we'll see how fast you can go. Not too fast, but she'll get up to 75 and purr like a kitten. Be very happy. We're only a couple of miles from the nearest highway, and I'll pick it up then.